Good morning, kids. It's Lily and Ben's 66th day at school, and today is a special day because they have a science fun day.
Ben, wake up. It's science day at school.
I'm awake, Lily. I love science.
Good morning, my little scientists. Here are some yummy pancakes to start your day.
Remember to ask lots of questions and have fun with your experiments.
We will, Mom and Dad.
Ben, do you have your science notebook and pencils?
Yes, Lily, I'm ready to go.
Lily and Ben are excited about the science activities. They see their friends on the way.
Look, Ben, there's Emma and Jack.
Hi, Emma. Hi, Jack.
Good morning, Lily and Ben. Are you ready for our science fun day?
Good morning, Miss Joy.
Yes,
we are.
Great. Let's start with some exciting experiments.
Today, Miss Joy has prepared many fun science experiments for Lily, Ben, and their friends.
Today we will explore the world of science with fun experiments. Are you ready?
I'm so excited, Miss Joy.
Me too. Let's start.
Let's start with a volcano experiment. Watch what happens when we mix baking soda and vinegar.
Wow, look at all the bubbles.
It looks like a real volcano.
Now, let's mix colours. What happens when we mix blue and yellow?
It's green.
That's so cool.
It's snack time, everyone. Let's take a break and enjoy some healthy snacks.
Yes, Miss Joy.
Lily and Ben enjoy their snacks with their friends. They talk about the experiments and how much fun they are having.
Once upon a time, there was a young scientist who loved to discover new things. Let's read about his adventures.
Lily and Ben love listening to stories. They learn new things and use their imagination.
It's time to play outside. Let's run, jump, and have fun.
This is so much fun.
I love playing with our friends.
Let's make bubbles. Watch what happens when we blow air into soapy water.
Look at all the bubbles.
They're everywhere.
How was your science day at school, Lily and Ben?
It was amazing, Mom. We did experiments and made bubbles.
And we had so much fun with our friends.
Lily and Ben had a wonderful science day at school. They learned a lot and had so much fun. See you next time, kids.